Okay, so if you've removed your battery or battery gone very flat or some other things, you may find your radio's not working anymore. So this is Honda Jazz radio. I'll show you how to get the pin code for it. First thing we need to be able to get the pin number is we need the serial number of this radio. Now if you've been really good and you've kept your owner's manual, it will be in there. But if you've got a 20-year-old Jazz, the chances of having the number is pretty low. So we hold the 1 and 6 keys together and we press the on button, and then we get the serial number. So make a note of that serial number, and we're going to go on a PC and we're going to use that serial number to get the pin number. Once you've got yourself the serial number, you need to find the phone number for your local Honda dealer. So you can either just Google it direct or go on the Honda website. There's a whole load. And if you ring the dealer, they should give you the pin code for your radio. Alternatively, there are some online services that will give you the pin code. Unfortunately, the other services aren't free. But if you're in a big rush and your local dealer's closed, these people are probably your best option. But it's gonna cost you 5, maybe even 10 quid to get the code off of these websites. There are even a few on good old eBay as well. I haven't used these, so I can't tell you if they're any good. I would say when you have a look at some of the ratings of some of these, well, the first one's a bit iffy, isn't it? But the others, you know, if they've got a 98, 99% rating, they're going to be okay, aren't they? But it is going to cost you a few quid. So if you do have the manual hiding somewhere that you haven't been able to locate, it's probably worth searching it out, isn't it? Or just give your Honda dealer a bell. So once we've got the code, we're just going to type it in. I hope if we're in tune on something. There we are, and there's the radio back up and running again. You can listen to your favourite rubbish on the radio when you're going along. So I hope you found that useful. I've done a whole load of other how-to videos for checking basic stuff on cars and vans and things. So if they're of any use to you, please have a look at the playlist or stick a like on this video. It would be great. Cheers and bye.